Hello, everybody. It's Mother Goose, and I'm so glad to be here with you today. And I have another nursery rhyme that I have made a little bit more modern, at least to my standards. It's called 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe. It'll help us with counting. Here we go. One, two, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door, door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a good fat hen. 11, 12, dig and delve. 13, 14. Maids a courting, 15, 16. Maids a kissing, 17, 18. Maids a waiting, 19, 20. Ho, ho, ho. I've had plenty. All right, everyone. See you next time on Modern Day Mother Goose.